a convenient giveaway that will have you wanting one for yourself. Hi, my name is Kaylin, and today we're checking out the Swappable Pop Sockets Pop Grip. Say goodbye to phone fumbling and propping up your phone on random things with this ingenious little phone accessory. Strong and adhesive backing attaches securely to the rear of your phone. Pop it up into position, slip your hand through, and enjoy extra security while taking photos, texting, or browsing the web. The stand lets you easily prop it into multiple positions based on your preference. And with the push and turn design, swapping pop tops is easier than ever. When you're all done using it, simply press it flat and it still fits in your pocket. It comes in a variety of different styles and your logo shows up on the top of the stand. It's a Swappable Pop Sockets Pop Grip from 4imprint. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more from 4imprint, check out our recent uploads, related videos, and our website at 4imprint.com.